So I'm going to sort of touch base on a couple of points. First of all, I would like to say the credibility of the mine action sector and the Halo Trust. We have a track record of working as humanitarian mine clearance organization for the last 30 years or so. So that means a lot. And we conduct our operations in almost all 34 provinces of Afghanistan. The Mine Action Program, Halo Trust is an Afghan-run and Afghan-led organization. It's a national entity, so people do trust and believe in our work. Our ability to work in conflict areas. We are conducting mine clearance operations in the government control areas, in the Taliban control areas, in contested areas, and we recruit our workforce from mine-impacted communities, working with all stakeholders involved in the Afghan conflict. And that's the key point for us, because getting community consent and access to hard-to-reach areas to deliver humanitarian mine clearance projects. The most important aspect of the mine action is provision of jobs. We are playing a crucial role in security and stability of communities. Of course, security is achieved through clearance of landmines, explosive remnants of war, and more recently, abandoned improvised mines. But also, we provide stability to communities by provision of jobs. Now, these men of fighting age, unemployed men of fighting age, are considered as the firewood of insurgency by the High Peace Council. That's a very important point to bear in mind as we go along the peace process. Ethnic diversity of Afghanistan, it's a very important issue, and the mine action sector is a neutral sector. We in Halo Trust employ over 2,300 Afghan workforce of all ethnic groups, Pashtuns, Tajiks, Hazaras, and Uzbeks, and the sector is really like a melting pot for all, Afghan ethnic groups. Our previous involvement in Afghanistan Peace and Reintegration Program. Now, in 2011, 2012, the Halo Trust was working with the Afghanistan High Peace Council, and we were conducting a project called APRP, Afghanistan Peace and Reintegration Program. We recruited over 260 former Taliban and Hizb Islami fighters, and we provided them with dignified job. And most of these men are still with Halo. Diversity and partnership with other organizations. This is something that is quite unique about the mine action sector. We, as the Halo Trust, we partner with victim assistance organizations, with other organizations involved in the livelihood and development activities, and we are outreaching more and more Afghan communities. And finally, I would say that the sector, the mine action sector, and specifically Halo Trust, can play a crucial role in the aftermath of any peace agreement between the government and the Taliban, because we can provide dignified jobs to thousands of Afghans who in Taliban who will be demobilized, or other fighters.